Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
In today's video, we're going to talk about 9 ways to make money fast if you lost your job. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified for future videos. If you just lost your job and you're in need of some cash right away, here are a list of 9 things you can do. Number 1, rent your home. If you have a spare bedroom or can stay with your in-laws or friends on short notice, you might want to consider renting out your home on Airbnb. Let's say you decide to rent out your upstairs guest room and bathroom to 2 guests. Depending on your location, you would have a monthly earning potential of about $2,000. Not too shabby at all. But what about the risk of opening up your home to strangers? Airbnb offers accidental damage coverage on your home, up to $1 million of coverage to be exact. They also offer host protection insurance just in case a guest gets hurt while staying on your property. So kick that worry to the curb. Even though Airbnb doesn't screen each individual guest, they do let hosts and guests rate each other. That way, you can feel more at ease about who you're letting into your house. Number 2, rent out your car. If you have a vehicle that sits in your garage for long stretches of time, you might find a car rental service like Turo. Turo is one of the easiest ways to make some extra money. On average, you can make a jaw-dropping $10,516 a year just by renting out your ride. And don't worry, the company covers your vehicle with $750,000 of liability insurance, as well as offering theft and damage coverage. So, let your renter hit the open road while you sit back and count that extra cash. Number 3, sell old phones and electronics. It seems like new electronic gadgets come out every day, and when you're ready to upgrade, what do you do with the old stuff you don't use anymore? Well, you could just shove it in that random junk corner where everything goes, or you can sell it. Sites like Swappa and Gazelle will take these old phones, gaming systems, and laptops off your hands. Number 4, get rid of old movies and music. Channel your inner minimalist and get rid of all those dusty DVDs or CDs on your entertainment stand or in boxes under your bed, and make the whole process easier with Declutter. You can scan the barcodes of items you don't want anymore and see how much money the company will give you. Instead of waiting around for a buyer to maybe purchase your item, the company itself will buy your stuff outright. Number 5, rent out your baby gear. Do you have a baby items taking up space in your garage, but you aren't ready to part with them yet? After all, you might want another kid, maybe one day. Instead of selling that high chair or baby jumper, why not rent them? Oh, we're serious. On websites like Baby Quip, their quality providers earn around $600 a month renting out things like cribs and strollers. Seriously. Number 6, sell unwanted stuff. Sift through your hall, closet, attic, and garage for everything you don't use anymore. What can you live without? Of course, you can always sell items on tried and true sites like eBay and Craigslist. But don't forget about apps like OfferUp, Garage Sale, Poshmark, ThreadUp, and Facebook Marketplace that make it even easier to make extra money by selling secondhand stuff. Number 7, sell your kids' clothes. Let's be honest, those little people grow out of their clothes faster than you can keep up. When it's time to get rid of the clothes you've outgrown, you have a few options. Put them out in your standard yard sale, sell them to a consignment store, or post them on social media. Apps like Kidizian are specially designed for selling your kids' gently used threads. And of course, you can use other sites we've talked about like Poshmark, ThreadUp, Craigslist, and eBay to sell children's clothing too. Number 8, sell those unused gift cards. Aunt Betsy gave you a PacSun gift card for Christmas, and you've never set foot in the place. Instead of letting the gift card collect dust, sell it. Websites like Raise let you sell your unwanted gift cards and make a little kickback off of them. After all, every gift card deserves a loving home, doesn't it? Number 9, rent your belongings. Okay, we've already talked about renting out your home, car, and even your old baby items. What else is there? Oh, only everything else. The popular renting company Fat Llama lets you rent out nearly any of your belongings. Some of the most in-demand items are camera equipment, projectors, lighting and audio equipment. So if you're a photographer, videographer, or just a tech gadget lover, you might make a good amount. But remember, you can rent out nearly anything, even your lawnmower, your tractor, or your scooter. So guys, this concludes a list of 9 ways to make money fast if you lost your job. You'll find in the description below the link of what I believe is the best high-ticket affiliate program out there. Give us a thumbs up and show your support in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.